Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, I am Aftab Alam Zikriya Mukadam from Mechanical Engineering Department. I have completed my ME in Machine Design and currently I am looking for PhD in Design of various pressure vessels. Today we are going to start important subject of this semester, that is power engineering and refrigeration. This subject is not only important for your exam point of view, but it is very important field of our engineering, as it is related with various internal combustion engines which are used in automobile sectors, aerospace division, then marine applications. Then in this subject we are going to see various refrigeration and air conditioning system which are useful in our career in RAC and HVAC. So as per the MSBT guideline, we are going to see content of this subject, subject abbreviation PER, subject code 22562, theory marks 70, progressive assessment 30 marks, practical 25 marks. For this subject PER, the syllabus is chapter number 1 IC engines. In this we are going to see various internal combustion engines, classification, applications and derivation related to how to find out efficiencies and some important numericals related to auto and diesel cycle. This chapter is for 16 marks. Chapter number 2, testing of IC engines. In this we are going to learn various testing methods to determine the performance, to determine the efficiency of engine. This chapter comprises of various testing methods like Morse test, motoring test, Williams line test. This chapter is very essential and very much needful, and this is for 16 marks. Then chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is air compressor. In this we are going to see various types of rotary and reciprocating compressors and some important numerical related to determine the efficiency of compressor, and some single stage and multi-stage compression systems. This is for 14 marks. Then chapter number 4 is gas turbines and jet engines. This is very important chapter of aerospace division. In this we are going to see various types of jet engines also. So this is for 8 marks. Then chapter number 5 is refrigeration and air conditioning system. This topic is related with various refrigeration systems like vapor compression, vapor absorption systems, some air conditioning systems like summer air conditioning system, winter AC, then year around AC, then split window AC, central AC, industrial AC. Like these types of interesting topics we are going to see in this chapter, and this is very important chapter of this subject, which is for 16 marks. So now without wasting time, I am going to start with chapter number 1, because this is the heart of internal combustion engine. Internal combustion engine is the heart of any automobile, any aircraft, any aerospace and any system that is related with engine. So I am going to start internal combustion engine, construction, working and some important components of the internal combustion engine. So I am going to represent this topic with one small video. So just have a look on this. We are going to see how does 4-stroke petrol engine works, because performance parameters to be distinguished once we know important points of discussions like components of engine, construction and working. So key components of IC engine are, first one is head, block and sum. The block comprises of piston to perform various strokes. The piston having two types of ring, compression ring and oil ring, and one hole for piston pin which fits in small end of connecting rod. And then we have connecting rod with small and big end and crankshaft. Then to ignite we have spark plug and intake and exhaust valve which are operated by cam mechanism. So the assembly of this component is like this. First of all, we have spark plug, both the valves with cam mechanism, piston with small end of connecting rod, then big end of connecting rod with crankshaft. So next phase is to learn the working. So working, in this we are going to see 4 strokes: suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke and exhaust stroke. So in suction stroke, first of all, inlet valve will open and mixture will enter inside the engine cylinder. Next stroke is compression stroke. In this compression stroke, both the valves have closed, piston travels from BDC to TDC, and at the end of compression stroke the mixture will be with higher temperature and higher pressure. So on the verge of end of this compression, the spark plug will ignite the spark and burning, that is combustion, will take place, and thus bursting will occur, and further piston will travel from TDC to BDC, that is burning of that particular mixture. So this stroke is known as power stroke. So as we know, the function of engine is to convert heat energy into mechanical energy. So here actual burning will take place, and because of this our vehicle will move. At the end of this stroke we'll find what highest amount of turning moment. The flywheel will store highest possible energy during this stroke only and gives out this energy for other strokes. So very important and essential stroke, that is power stroke. So at this stroke piston will travel from TDC to BDC, and the burned mixture or overburned mixture which have to be departed, so this will be departed during this exhaust stroke. Well, exhaust valve will open and unburned mixture will be, overburned mixture will be exhausted to the atmosphere. At this stroke only exhaust valve is opened and mixture is exhausted outside the surrounding, outside the cylinder. So this is about working of internal combustion engine. I hope you got some ignition related to components, related to construction and related to working.